Hey, it's Tom from Toons. We're here with this early 2000s Sylvan. It's an 18-foot pontoon. Back in its heyday, this boat was lush. This had big, soft, heavyweight carpet, which has now turned to crusty, mossy, moldy, and mildewy. It has a nice 4-stroke engine, another reason that makes it a great candidate for a restore or refurbish. The railings on this boat are in pretty darn good shape for the year. The decals are in good shape. It was stored well. So we're gonna reuse the railings. This boat is gonna get new vinyl flooring, the tan vinyl weave. We'll get rid of this heavyweight carpet. You can even see they've power washed this I don't know how many times and it's still just filthy. We're gonna do new seating, the ivory with tan and green accents. We'll do a new steering console, new electrical, some new LED lighting for headlights and navigation lights as well. This is gonna be pretty straightforward restoration project, but it's gonna give this boat that's about 20 years old a whole new lease on life. Foot boat. We did the new tan vinyl weave flooring. We upgraded the LEDs. They had some big ATV off-road LEDs. We put nice surface mount LEDs and LED nav lights as well. This boat got custom snap-on seat covers. If you've watched our videos, a lot of you have asked where to get those, where to order them. These are made by our upholsterer who comes into our shop and makes them. If you're interested, look at a local upholsterer near you to get a price and to have your boat sized up for them. Inside the boat, we've got a couple 28-inch bench seats up front. It's the ivory base with the base color and then forest green with a tan accent. In Michigan here, Michigan State's colors are green and white. So this is a Sparty boat, Michigan State Spartans. Matching standard helm. We've got a big reclining helm chair on here. We've got a decked out helm here with an 8-switch panel. We've got it all. We've got a JBL stereo system. This actually has an ampless subwoofer incorporated in on a switch. Binnacle shift and throttle. It does fit on here. It's a little bit snug, but everything can fit on this console. Triangle table, so these guys are big card players. I can slide that captain's chair forward, and now I'm sitting right at the table, able to play cards with my friends. Lots of storage underneath these seats. The new premium lean back on the left here. This boat had great bones, including its railings. The decals and paint were in great shape. Pontoons are in great shape, and it has a great engine. That just means this is a great investment to make it more modern and to make a nice clean look again.